What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we gotta go over Shiba Inu today. So let's look at the Shiba Inu chart here. So looking at the Shiba Inu chart, obviously you can see that we are on a uptrend here, and you can also see that we are also inside of a wedge here. So this is always, every time this always happens right before a breakout. So honestly, we could break out at any moment with Shiba Inu. As you can see, we just keep going up, and up. So Shiba Inu has so much more potential than what everyone is seeing from behind the scenes. I can see what is about to happen with Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu definitely has a lot more potential than a lot of people think. And look over here. This says this is when Shiba Inu price may rally above 0.00001 levels. So we definitely want to rally above those levels. And it says many looked for the price to plunge to lower levels. Yet a fresh surge indicated the probable recovery. And they're talking about this surge here, which is indicating a recovery. So we can definitely have a recovery coming up soon here. It says the surge above the 0.0000780 levels may be due to the strengthened 50-day average. So once Shiba price successfully clears both of these levels, which is this right here, the 820 level, so we would have to go up to 8. And once we clear that, we would actually end up shooting up to here, which is 0.00001140. So that is the next level that we're looking at. We're going to knock off one of those zeros and then go up. So this is definitely what we're predicting here in Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu should definitely, continue to rise. We're definitely expecting Shiba Inu to rise, right? So yeah, this is what we're doing here, is a little bit of consolidation period. And yeah, it's an uptrend right here. And the wedge, usually whenever we have these wedges that are forming, usually whenever they were forming in a downtrend. And that was because we were in a downtrend previously. But now look at this, we are inside of an uptrend. So now that we're in this uptrend, we have a lot of potential here. So that's really all I have for the technicals. Don't want to do too much on the technicals because remember, anything could happen. Elon Musk could tweet and it could go crazy. Biden could say something bad about crypto and then it could go bad. So anything can happen, right? Not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Anything can happen. But looking at the charts, though, we see that we are still doing well inside of crypto in general. And Shiba Inu has just been, trading sideways, trying to get back up to those levels that we were previously at. We had 2.8 billion market cap, 403 million last 24 hours. So we definitely need more money flowing through Shiba Inu. But let's check out some of the other stuff that we have, though. So looking over here at the COVID relief fund, this is one of the main things I like to look at with Shiba Inu. So 146 million right over here. That's a lot of money that's inside of Shiba Inu. $146 million inside of the India COVID relief fund. So they still haven't sold anything within the last few days, because last time they sold it was 6 days ago. So right now, they're probably predicted to start selling something around now because they haven't sold anything in like 6 days. And the last time that happened, look what happened. It was like 10 days over here, and then this happened. So it was like 15 days really. But yeah, it looks like they sell the same amount every time. Look, they have the same amount that they sell every time. 10.1 trillion. What is this? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 10.1 trillion. 10.1 trillion, I believe, ends up to be like $62 million, if I'm correct. Doing this math in my head, it's kind of hard to do math in your head. $62 million, I think. So yeah, let's actually make sure that that's $62 million. So you would take that the amount of sheep that they sold, and you would probably divide it. But let's see if it's multiplying, because like I said, it's hard to do this math all inside of your head. 7171. So yeah, right now that would be $72 million. So previously it was 62 million. So now it's 72 million. And actually yesterday I showed they were at $132 million, but it says Shiba Inu started to go up. Now their Shiba Inu is worth $146 million. So now that they waited, they got an extra $10 million. So look at that. If they keep waiting till Shiba Inu just goes to the moon, then the crypto COVID relief fund, the India COVID relief fund, they would get so much more money if they just waited a little while, waited for Shiba Inu to jump, and then sold. So that's probably what they're going to do. So if you see it jump to these levels that we were talking about before, they most likely will sell. So do not be alarmed if you see a huge drop off after they sell, because we all know they're going to sell. We just don't know when. And remember, they only have $146 million. Shiba Inu total has $2.8 billion. So even if they sell, it really does nothing to Shiba Inu. Like, look at this, $2.8 billion over here. If they sold their minus their $146 million, that would be $2.6 billion. Like, we would still have $2.6 billion if they sold out of the COVID relief fund. So it's not really a big problem that they have all the Shiba Inu, because they don't own most of the Shiba Inu. If you see the person who owns the most Shiba Inu, it's only about 7% over here, which is $500 million. So even if the top whale sold, we would still have $2.3 billion. So that's some good news right there, that even if the top whale sold, we would still have $2.3 billion. So no one person can completely destroy Shiba Inu. And remember, these are exchanges. These aren't people. These are exchanges. Like this right here, exchange. These ones, I'm not sure too much about the ones that don't say the exchanges. But yeah, we know a lot of the top whales are exchanges. So a lot of people own money within that. And a lot of people own money inside crypto.com with Shiba Inu. So, and you got to think about Qcoin. Qcoin is a big contender with Shiba Inu. And you got to think about developers. Developers also might have some Shiba Inu. So this top one might be the developers right here. But this one right here, this is the burn wallet. So we don't even have to worry about this. This is the burn wallet. Whenever transaction fees go, they go in here. Everything, look. Everything goes in here. All of this goes in here. So this is all burned Shiba Inu. All of this is burned. Nobody's getting any of this back. So this is money that is just floating in thin air. 2.9 billion. Notice how they don't even show the 2.9 billion on here, because it's burned and it can never be gotten again. It's they threw away those keys. Those keys are never to be found again, right? So good news all in all with Shiba Inu. The Robinhood, obviously, the Robinhood petition is still going crazy right now. 141,000 people have signed up. All we need is 150 right now, and then that's a lot of people that signed up. So trust me, when this goes crazy, it will go crazy. Like, Robinhood is definitely going to put it on Robinhood. All right, when Robinhood puts Shiba Inu on Robinhood, that is going to be crazy, because the price will go up immensely, because Robinhood has so much money flowing through it. Same thing with Coinbase. When Coinbase adds Shiba Inu, we'll have some good news. It will be a good day when Shiba Inu is on Coinbase. So that's another good thing that's going on there. 40,000 people have already signed. Need 50,000. But yeah, definitely sign that if you haven't signed it yet. And another thing I want to talk about: the fast food Shiba Inu figurines available for pre-order for a limited time. Look, this is inside of Thailand. Remember, Thailand, look at what Thailand just did. Thailand just regulated crypto. They're trying to get rid of all meme coins, right? And then to combat this is what the people of Thailand did. They made this to combat it. So yeah, they're having the Shiba Inu memes here. Since they're banning meme coins, now they're having the memes inside the fast food places, since they can't get it in the form of the coins, which is kind of messed up that Thailand has banned it. So yeah, on June 10th, All Blue Toys collectible shop from Thailand announced on Facebook that the fast food Shiba Inu figurines are open for pre-order in Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, and Taiwan. So yeah, definitely go get that if you can. But look, they actually have that out there. In the fact that they're getting regulated, like, look at this. So regulators are coming down. Biden eyes taxing crypto. Thailand clamps down. So Biden's trying to tax crypto. Thailand's trying to crack down on crypto. So much stuff is just going on here. So yeah, the Biden administration to require banks / exchanges / blockchain / crypto / DeFi companies to report crypto transactions over 10K to the IRS. Thailand SEC cracks down effective June 11th. Meme tokens such as Dogecoin, fan tokens, and everything in exchanges cannot be traded in Thailand. Regulation fears one reason for the recent crypto dip. Some worry more regulations will cause further declines. And let me just say, it's truly criminal to tax crypto. I'm going to explain why very soon. It's truly a criminal activity to tax crypto. So Biden, you are a criminal if you want to tax crypto. Anyone who taxes crypto, that's criminal. You are literally taxing people multiple times. I'm going to explain why. And most of you probably already know why, but I'm still going to explain for the people who don't know. So let's keep reading this though. Crypto regulation in the US rears its ugly head. Yeah. In May, we saw the blue sky potential that crypto has proven tarnished by clouds. Alright, the storm of regulation blew and stop talking all this nonsense. The world of crypto saw its first hint regulation as Biden administration unveiled its desire to tax crypto transactions in May. In the administration's tax enforcement proposal, cryptocurrency transfers over 10K must be reported to the Internal Revenue Service (IRS). So the Treasury believes this move may double the IRS workforce over the next decade. Thailand's SEC regulates and bans crypto, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so regulators are scared of crypto for good reason. The fears of regulation over crypto are not surprising, especially considering stories like the time a man was arrested in Thailand with more than 800 million Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has gained insane ground since its inception, going in from around 100,000 transactions per month. All right, blah 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 blah. So let's talk about the crypto regulations, right, and taxing crypto. Let's say I have $1 million, right, and let's say I already paid taxes on my $1 million. So now I pay taxes on my $1 million, 40%. Criminal activity, they're taking half of your money. Oh wait, I also have state taxes for California, 60%, and oh wait, I also have some other taxes because of the corrupted government. So now I'm paying 80% in taxes, right? That's $200K in taxes. Or that's only $200K left after taxes. Now I have $200K left after my $1 million, right? So now I go in and I take my $1 million, right? Let's go to the notepad here. I go and I take my $1 million, and then I end up just sending my $1 million to a friend, right? So this friend receives my $1 million. So now that this friend receives my $200,000, now this friend also has to pay money on this $200,000. But I already paid money. I already paid the taxes for the $1 million, which is all. I only have $200,000. So now they have to pay taxes on this $200,000 that I just gifted them. You see how criminal that is? I already paid taxes. I already paid 80% taxes at that, and now they have to pay taxes on the $200,000. Now they got to pay that $400,000, that 40% tax on that $200,000, plus the the California state taxes, plus all the other taxes. So now they're getting 80% taken from them. They don't even have $200,000 anymore. They only have like $180,000. Like, you have to think about this. Or they have like 80,000, whatever. All right, let's look at this like this perspective, right? Let's say I make a new coin, right? This new coin, I hope you guys can see this. The font, I can't even up the font on this, but let's find something where I could at least up the font. So format, word wrap, font. So let's go over here, up this font to 72. Okay, so I have Biden. I'm making a new coin, right? My new coin is called Biden coin. Biden coin, there is, let's just make it simple, right? So there's Biden coin, right? I have 150 or 1.5 million Biden coins, right? So since I have 150 million Biden coins, or I don't have 150 million Biden coins. Look, there's Biden coins. They're at 150 million, right? It just got made. So there's no market cap. So no one has bought any Biden coins yet. So currently the market cap is priced at this point right here. This is the current market cap of Biden coin, right? That's the current market cap of Biden coin. So now, since I'm the creator, I'm like, okay, I want to buy some of my own Biden coins. So purchase Biden coin. So me purchasing Biden coin, this is how much Biden coin I just now purchased. I took my money and I purchased about 100. I purchased about a whole million of Biden coin, right? I'm gonna purchase right now. That's a lot of Biden coin. I don't want that many Biden coin. So I purchased 1,000 Biden coins, right? So now that I purchased 1,000 Biden coins, or actually, just to make it simple, let's just make it simple. Let's just do 1 million. All right, I'll take 1 million Biden coins, right? So now there's only this many Biden coins. So now there's only this many Biden coins right here. There's about 500,000 Biden coins, right? Now there's only 500,000 Biden coins. What does this do to the market cap when we only have 500,000 Biden coins? Now that we have only 1,000 Biden coins here, so let's go over to the market cap. What this will do to the market cap, this is going to shoot the market cap from $0. Now there's only 500,000. Now Biden coin is more scarce. So now Biden coin is worth about $1,000 per Biden coin, right? So let's just say a Biden coin is now $1,000 worth Biden coin. Now, mind you, this money that I put in, this $1 million worth of Biden coin that I put in, I already paid taxes on my $1 million. I already paid taxes on my $1 million. So let's say someone else comes in, you come in and you only want about $1,000 worth of Biden coin, right? Or no, you come in and you buy the remaining 500,000, and the remaining 500,000 worth of Biden coin, you're already taxed on your 500,000. You've been paid taxes on your 500,000. This then takes the market cap up to another level, right? This then takes our market cap all the way up to, now our market cap is near infinity now, because like you just bought the rest of the Biden coins. Now there's no more Biden coins left. So now it's in immense scarcity. So now that you did that, our Biden coin goes from $1,000 to about $1,500, right? Now, let's say, oh, okay, I've seen that, and now it's pumped. Now I want to sell my whole $1 million. So I sell my $1 million, and now that I sell $1 million, I sell it all, right? So I sell all my $1 million and I take your whole 1,500, right? Because it's only us two inside of Biden coin. So now I have $1.5 million. You see where I'm going with this? You were already taxed for your $500,000. You were already taxed for that. I was already taxed for my $1 million. But wait, this gets even more interesting. Crypto is peer-to-peer transaction, meaning that any money that I get from you and any money you get from me is purely a gift. It's a gift. We are not making money. We are not actually creating money. We are not actually earning it. We are giving money to each other because it's peer-to-peer transaction. So these are already taxed gains. These gains here, they've already been taxed by you. You already paid your taxes on your $500,000. I already paid my taxes on my $1 million. Yet I just sold, and now I have your taxed money and I have my taxed money. But now what Biden is saying and what the whole government is saying, now they're saying, all right, now you have to repay taxes on this money that you already paid taxes on and that they already paid taxes on. So you pay taxes on that, I pay taxes on that, right? Now they want to tax both of that. So now they're saying, okay, now that we're doing this, we want that 80% tax. Remember the 40% tax? Remember all the taxes you pay in California, your home taxes is going to end up being 80%, right? So say you have 1.5 million, right? Divided by 0.8. That 1.5 million, all right, I mean multiply. All right, sorry. 1.5 million times 0.8. So that is 1.2 million. They're taking 1.2 million out of your 1.5 million, leaving you with $300,000. So after taxes, after double tax, remember, it's double tax because we already been taxed. After double taxed, now you have $300,000. Now you literally only have $300,000 after you've been taxed. Look, so up here, this was taxed money. We already been taxed on this $1 million, but I went ahead and I put my million in Biden coin. I already been taxed on that, right? So now I have 500,000 Biden coin. All right, and then you already been taxed on your money. So since you already been taxed on your money, you put your already taxed 500,000 in. So now we have an already taxed total of 1.5 million market cap already taxed. There's 1.5 million, it's already taxed. So now we came here, I sold it all out. You lost pretty much all your money. I gained all this money, but it's already been taxed. Both of these have already been taxed. No matter what the whales do, if the whale does a rug pull or anything, it doesn't matter. You paid taxes, your friend paid taxes, everyone paid taxes, the whale already paid taxes. And now that you're taking it out again, now you're having to pay another tax for a peer-to-peer transaction. That's criminal because it says inside of the tax laws, if you're gifting money to someone, you do not have to pay taxes. Now, that's a really big statement right there. If you gift money, is it taxable? If you gift money, is it taxable? Generally, the answer to do I have to pay taxes on a gift is the person receiving a gift typically does not have to pay gift tax. The giver, however, will generally file a gift tax return when the gift exceeds the annual gift tax exclusive amount, which is $15,000 per recipient. So the gift tax return, they have to do that, but you don't have to be taxed on the whole thing. But what they're trying to do, they're trying to tax this whole thing. They're trying to tax, they're like, okay, we're going to tax it all. We're going to do the whole tax, 40% because you're rich. That's what Biden is saying. He's saying you're in the top percentile, you're getting a whole 40% tax. Now you're also paying your state taxes, you're paying your house taxes, you're paying everything. You're paying taxes on everything, leaving you with about $300,000. This is double taxed money. This is triple taxed money. This is quadruple taxed money, which is why I'm saying taxing crypto is truly criminal when you look at it from this way. So that's pretty much all I have to say with that. Like they're double taxing people with crypto if they make crypto taxable. So if we have to continue to pay taxes, remember, you already have to pay taxes on crypto. They're already doing it, but they're trying to, make more and more regulations, make more and more taxes, right? They're trying to make people pay even more taxes. So not only do you already have to pay taxes, and you got to pay even more taxes. So you shouldn't have to pay taxes even in the first place because it's crypto, it's peer-to-peer transactions. That's just my take on it. Let me know what you think about it. If you're a tax professional, let me know because I'm not a tax professional, not a financial advisor. So if you are a financial advisor or tax professional, let me know in the comment section what you think about that. If you think my analogy is correct or if you think my analogy is wrong, I will definitely listen to whatever you have to say. That's how I feel about taxes. I do not feel like crypto has to be taxed at all. I don't think it should be. I think it's criminal. It's peer-to-peer transactions. They're gifts. I mean, that's how I see it. It's peer-to-peer transactions. So that's how I feel about it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about crypto and about the taxing laws, and if you think Shiba Inu is going to the moon. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video.